Hello everyone, welcome to my class. I am Dipen Choikia. Today I am going to discuss about the chapter circle in conic section. In general, one question is always come in JEE main exam from this chapter circle. Here we discuss this chapter by subdividing some parts like that. First one is what? Equation of circle. Next one, intercept made by circle and equation of tangent, common tangents of circles, directed circle and family of circle. In general, intercept made by circle, equation of tangent and common tangent of circle, these three units. এই তিনটা ইউনিটৰ ৰিলেটেড কে তোমাৰ জেনাৰেলি জেডাবলি মেইনছত কোৱেশ্চন পায় আৰু ৰিমেইনিং পাৰ্টটো লাগিব কাৰণ ইয়াৰ যিখিনি থিওৰিটিকেল কনসেপচুৱেল বস্তু ইউজ কৰি পেলাই তুমি ইয়াত প্ৰবলেমটো কৰিব লাগিব. Okay, now initially we discussed about the equation of circle, and before starting this topic I will discuss some basic things. Here the first result is what? The angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. That means if this angle is theta, then this one is must be what? Twice theta. This one already we have this result, and it's an angle in the same segments are equal. Segment is the same, hoy these angles and these are both are what? Equal. Next, the angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. That means if this angle is what? This one is, that is the diameter AB, and that is the center. This angle is always equal to what? 180. Therefore, this one, the semicircle angle is always what? 90 degree. Okay. Next, the cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. Here in the circle, in the cyclic quadrilateral, what? The sum of the opposite angles of this quadrilateral is always what? 180 degree. One is this one and the other this one. The sum of this opposite angle equal to what? 180 degree. Next one, the perpendicular from the center, that is the center, to the chord. Chord is what? AB bisect the chord. That means this one C, this one is what? O. OC bisect the chord what? AB. That is the another property. And the angle between a tangent and a radius is always 90 degree. That is the radius and that is the tangent. This angle must be equal to what? 90 degree. Here, the tangents from a point, this one we consider point A, outside a circle are equal in length. That means if you consider this point is B, this one is C, and AC is equal to what? AB. That means tangents from a point outside a circle are always what? Equal length. Next one is what? Alternate segment theorem. This one, this angle, that is the tangent, this angle is equal to this one, a particular angle, total equal, and this angle is always equal to what? This. Okay, and this one is known as what? Alternate segment theorem. This result always we use when you solve some questions. Okay, actually a result like ami jeta problem la koriba na teta he problem la korote ami eta result amak lagibo ekene moi ebar just discuss kori loisu. Okay, initially we start the equation of circle. There are different type of equations are there. First one, the equation of circle centered at origin. That is the center, and this point, that is the locus, that is the moving point which represent all the set of points, and we consider the radius OP, the length of OP is equal to what? R. By using distance formula you can find the equation of a circle is what? X square plus y square is equal to R square. Otherwise, by using Pythagoras theorem, that is the locus, the length of this portion is equal to x, this one is equal to y, x square plus y square equal to r square. That is the equation of the circle, where r square, r represent what? Radius of the circle. Okay, again in parametric form, if we consider the radius OP makes an angle theta, and if we draw a perpendicular line, the equation of the circle is what? Whose center is at origin is equal to what? R square. In parametric form, this length is equal to, we consider what? X here, and this one we consider what? Y. Okay, therefore in parametric form, this one is equal to 90 degree. Therefore base, perpendicular, hypotenuse, then you have cos of theta is equal, this one is equal to x by r. Therefore, x equal to cos of r cos of theta, and this one if you consider this part equal to y, then sine of theta is equal to y by r. Therefore, y equal to r sine of theta. This one y equal to r sine theta and y equal to r cos of theta. That is the parametric form of the given circle. X square plus y square equal to what? R square. Okay. That is the parametric form. Okay. The circle whose center not at origin. That is the known as a standard equation of circle. Okay. Now, if we consider the center is for h k and that is the locus, then equation is for x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to what? Distance r squaring both sides, you have this one r square. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. This one we have. Again, in parametric form, if we consider this angle is equal to theta, this angle is equal to theta, then the same equation you have x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. That is the standard equation of the circle whose center is lies on where hk. Then you have x equal to x coordinate. H, this center is h, therefore length of this x axis is equal to what? H plus r cos of theta. And y coordinate, y is equal to what? K plus r cos of theta. Okay, that is the parametric form of a standard equation of a circle. Now, I am going to discuss about the general equation of circle. With the help of this equation, এই equation to help করে আমি গোটেই derivation বা maximum portion বিলাক আমি discuss কৰিব বিচাৰিম. Okay, in generally the second degree equation ax square plus by square plus y x square plus this part is equal to 0. This one is known as second degree equation. This equation represents what pair of straight line if this part equal to 0. This condition only, this one, first one. Okay. Again, this equation represents a circle if this part equal to 0 and coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square. These two part must be equal to 0 and coefficient of xy, this must be equal to 0 if this part equal to 0. Okay, ultimately this equation you can write like that: x square plus y square, a and b, these are constant, both are equal, dividing by this constant you have something like that, right? Twice gx, this g not this one, both are different, কাৰণ ইয়াত constant divide কৰিলে এটা বেলেগ এটা constant আহিব, this one we consider also what? G, and twice fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay, ultimately you have x square plus y square plus twice gx. G are equal to g, because here a and b, these are constant, both are we considered what? Equal. Dividing by this constant, you have g by something means what? We consider also g, and f by something is also we consider as a constant term means what? F, and c by constant also constant, this one also we consider as a c. This equation which is known as what? General equation of a circle. General equation of a circle. That means if this is the second degree equation satisfies this condition, then this equation always represents what? General equation of a circle. Now, here center is what? Center is what? Minus g minus g minus, and radius is equal to what? G square plus f square minus c. And center also you can find like a coefficient of x divided by minus 2 and the coefficient of y by minus 2 with the help of this one. Coefficient of x means what? Twice g by minus 2 means what? Minus g. And coefficient of y is twice f by minus 2 means what? Minus f. And g square plus f square minus c, here g square plus f square minus c always greater than equal to 0. If this part equal to 0, then this equation represent point circle. Ki represent karibo ki dite equal to 0 hole point circle. Otherwise g square plus f square minus c is greater than 0. This always represent any type of circle. Okay. Now, if we consider an example like that, x square plus y square plus twice x plus 6y plus 3 is equal to 0. Now you have to find the center and radius of the circle. Initially you have to equating it's when the coefficient of x square and y square are equal or not. This one is always equal. If not equal, if this one is 3, this one is equal to 3, 4, then this equation does not represent the equation of a circle. If this one is 3, this one also 3, dividing by 3, whole equation. And this constant we consider in the left hand side of this equation. Now here, what is the value of minus g and minus f? Center is equal to what? G means what? Directly you can write it in this way. Center minus g. The coefficient of x 2 by minus 2. Coefficient of y 6 by minus 2. That means this one minus 1 and minus 3. Which is the value of what? Minus g and minus f. G equal to 1 and f equal to what? 3. And similarly you can find the radius also. G square plus f square minus c. Root over this one is equal to radius equal to what? What is the value of g? G square means 1 square plus 9. 9 plus 1 10 minus what? C equal to what? 3. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6 units. That is the radius. Okay. Now here the most important point is what? If you have this equation, if any one of this one is what? Unknown. Unknown dia ase. 3 place of k dia ase. For what value of k, this equation represents the equation of a circle. The condition is what? You have to use this condition. G square plus f square, c place of p put give this constant k greater than equal to 0. By using inequality, you can solve it. Then you can find the value of what? K. Either c or f, but unknown থাকিব পাৰে. এই unknown থাকিলে যদি unknown আছে তেতিয়া কোৱেশ্চনটো এনেকৈ দিব পাৰে, for what value of this unknown constant this equation represents the equation of a circle. You can find like that. Okay. From the general equation of a circle, x square plus y square plus twice gx plus twice fy plus c equal to 0. Here we discuss some things, the x-intercept and y-intercept. How can you find it? Okay. Now from this equation, if AB, when you find this x-intercept, that means these 2 points lies on which axis? X-axis. That means y coordinate must be equal to 0. If y coordinate is equal to 0, then equation you have x square plus what? Twice gx plus c equal to 0. By using this formula, we have minus c plus minus root over b square. B square minus what? 4c square minus 4ac divided by what? Twice c. So finally you have minus g plus minus what? Root over g square minus c. Two values are there. One is this one and another is this one. But I have from minus g plus root over g square minus c, another is from minus g minus root over what? G square minus c. It'll be to the inter coordinate power, x coordinate, both are x coordinate and y coordinate equal to 0. They are distance will be they are distance to kiman equal to distance between these 2 point AB twice of root over what? G square minus c. Which is this one is known as what? X intercept. Yes or no? But x or value one is what? Minus g plus root over g square minus c. Another is what? Minus g minus root over g square minus c. Duta coordinate pai gola tumi. Here y coordinate equal to 0. The distance will be the x intercept equal to twice of root over g square minus c. Similarly, the y intercept is equal to what? You have twice of root over f square minus c. Okay. This one, that is the x intercept, and that is the what? Y intercept. Okay. Again, if this circle touches the x-axis, so tomorrow x-axis touches x-axis. X-axis or the task for it, your x-intercept is equal to what? Twice of root over g square minus c. Therefore, this part must be equal to 0 because here length 0 हो जाता 0 होले तमने फाइनली की पाइ जाबा तुमी g square is equal to किमान पाइ जाबा c. If the circle touches the x-axis, otherwise if the circle touches the y-axis, so the y-axis of touch करे circle, y-axis of touch करे y-intercept is equal to what? Twice of root over f square minus c. This part equal to की हो जाबा तुम्हारा 0. यदि 0 हो जाए finally you have what? F square equal to c. That is the condition when the given circle touches the which axis? Y-axis. Okay. Again, the given circle touches both the axes like that. both the coordinates x and y like that. Okay, then condition is what? Both the axes, both the axis. It is condition to g square equal to f square equal to c. That is the condition. Okay, if the given circle touches the both the coordinate axes. Here I discussed about the diametrical form of a circle. That is the equation of a diametrical form of a circle when n points of a diameter are given. The n point বিলাক তোমাৰ দিয়া থাকে এটা হৈছে ইকুৱেচন কেনেকৈ বুলিছে চোৱা that is the center. If we consider that is the diameter, the coordinate of the center is what? x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2 like that. Okay, again the slope of the line AP, and next you can find the slope of the line what? BP. Okay, this angle is 90, that is a semicircle, and this one is always, this one is what? 180, and that is a semicircle is always what? 90 degree. Therefore the product of this gradient is equal to what? -1. Therefore slope of AP into slope of BP is equal to what? -1. Slope of AP, you have what? Y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 into this one is what? Y minus y2 by x minus x2 is equal to -1. After cross multiplication you have this result. That is the equation of a what? Circle when n points of diameters are given. যদি তোমাৰ কি দিয়া থাকে n point এটা তোমাৰ দিয়া থাকে, that is the equation of the circle, that is the center. Again কেতিয়াবা তোমাৰ এনেকুৱা হ'ব পাৰে কোৱেশ্চনটো চাবা তুমি এই n পইণ্ট কিটা দিয়া নাই, n পইণ্টৰ মাজেৰে যোৱা যিটো লাইন দি আছে লাইনডালৰ তোমাৰ কি দি থৈছে তোমাৰ ডায়ামিটাৰ কিটালৰ তোমাৰ কি দিয়া আছে তোমাৰ x কোঅৰ্ডিনেট x ৰ ৰুটস কিটা দিয়া আছে লাইনডালৰ আৰু y ৰুটস দিয়া আছে. ওকে, in general a diametrical form generally আমি এটা কি পাইছো চাবা diametrical form that is the quadratic in x variable. That means two roots are there, one is what? X1 and another is what? X2, and that is the quadratic of what? Y variable. One is y1 and another is y2. কেতিয়াবা তোমাৰ এনেকুৱা দিব পাৰে কোৱেশ্চনটো কি দিব পাৰে এই যেটা ডায়ামিটাৰ দিয়া আছে ডায়ামিটাৰডালৰ তোমাৰ এক্সিস আর ৰুটস অফ ইকুয়েশন তাৰ মানে x কোঅৰ্ডিনেট তাৰ যেটা ৰুটস হ'ব এই ৰুটস কিটা এই ইকুয়েশনটো ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰি আছে. Again coordinates of the roots of this equation তাৰ y coordinate লাগে কোনে ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিছে this equation. So how can you find the equation of the circle? ইয়াত পয়েন্ট দিয়া আছে, নেক্সট ইয়াত কি দিয়া আছে ইয়াত ডায়ামিটাৰডালৰ যেটো x কোঅৰ্ডিনেট আছে তোমাৰ x কোঅৰ্ডিনেট যেটা আছে এটা কি ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰে ইকুয়েশনটো আৰু y কোঅৰ্ডিনেট এটা এই পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ ইকুয়েশনটো ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিছে. এতিয়া ইয়াৰ পৰা কি বস্তু ওলাই আছে তোমাৰ চোৱা from this part ইয়াৰ পৰা কি পাবা এটা in terms of x variable এটা কোৱাড্ৰেটিক ইকুয়েশন পাবা, ইয়াত in terms of y variable এটা কোৱাড্ৰেটিক ইকুয়েশন পাবা. এতিয়া ইয়াৰ প্লেছত কি আহি যাব a প্লেছত মই পুট কৰোতে শৰ্টকাট কে যদি মই উলিয়াও ইকুয়েশন of circle কি দিয়া আছে যাৰ ইকুয়েশন কোয়াড্ৰেটিক ফর্ম কিটা দিয়া আছে যাৰ রুটস কিটা এই ইকুয়েশনটো ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিছে x কোঅৰ্ডিনেটৰ রুটস কি ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিছে y কোঅৰ্ডিনেটৰ রুটস কাৰণ x1 y1 and x2 y2 x1 x2 represented by this equation and y1 y2 represented by this equation. এতিয়া ফৰ্মেটটো এক্সপ্ৰেস কৰিবা ইয়াত কোএফিচিয়েন্ট অফ x স্কয়াৰ and কোএফিচিয়েন্ট অফ y স্কয়াৰ অলৱেজ কি হৈছে তোমাৰ ইকুৱেল. এতিয়া ইয়াত ইকুয়েশনৰ কোএফিচিয়েন্ট কিটা ইকুৱেল কৰি লবা, ইকুৱেল কৰি ইয়াত কি ডিভাইড কৰিবা ডিভাইডিং বাই 2 this equation dividing by 2 2 divide কৰিলে কি হৈ যাব this equation is what x squared plus this one is what 9 by 2x plus 3 by 2 plus next one is what this one y squared plus y minus 2 equal to 0. That is the equation of the circle. Directly you can find like that. Shortcut get enable operator. Okay, here we discuss about the circle and the coordinate axis. Okay, the circle passing through origin. Then what is the equation, how can you find it? Okay, If the given circle passing through origin, then you have two intercept. One is what x intercept, and another is what y intercept. If you origin or major r hoy circle to তেতিয়াহলে কি পাবা তোমাৰ এটা x intercept আৰু কি পাবা তুমি y intercept. If x intercept equal to a, this coordinate is a0 and this one is what 0b. Now how can you find the equation of this circle? Therefore তুমি কি কৰিব পাৰা from this part. This one is 0 0, this one is what a0, therefore midpoint is this one. This coordinate is what a by 2 0. তেতিয়াহলে x coordinate তোমাৰ আহিলে তোমাৰ a by 2, and this one is 0b, the y coordinate what a point le ikon la আহিলে তোমাৰ b by 2. তেতিয়াহলে what is the coordinate of this center? A by 2, b by 2. X coordinate is what a by 2, midpoint of what OA, and y coordinate is what b by 2, midpoint of what OB. That is the what center. By using distance formula, you can find each one radius. This one is center, that is the origin. With the help of this center and radius, you can find the equation of the circle. One way is this one. Again, by using diametrical form, you have these two. This passing through where center, therefore that is the diameter. The endpoint of diameters are given. With the help of diametric form, you can find the equation of the circle. Again, if the given circle not passing through origin, so the circle to origin or pass one line, then how can you find the equation of the circle? Here, but we keep 2 points are there. One is what A, and another is what B. This one is C, and this one is what D. Find the midpoint of AB. AB midpoint here. Next, আকৌ তোমাৰ ইয়াত কিমান থাকিব তোমাৰ midpoint of what CD উলিয়াবা midpoint ওলোৱাৰ লগে ইয়াত কি পাই যাবা তোমাৰ center পাই যাবা. You can find the center. Midpoint পোৱাৰ লগে according to coordinate system ইয়াত কি পাই যাবা তুমি center পাই যাবা. The center পোৱাৰ লগে that is the origin আছে তোমাৰ o coordinate পৰা কিমান লাইন, যদি তোমাৰ এটো তোমাৰ 5 থাকিলে যে origin পৰা কিমান লাইন আছে তুমি চাবা. এটো লাইন পাবা x coordinate, এটো কার্ভ লাইন পাবা তোমাৰ y coordinate লাইন. After keep I will the center. This one. Center product a pointer plus different the pointer give level distance. Usually you can find out what radius. Radius and center you have, you can find the equation of what circle. Okay. Otherwise, by using standard result x square plus y square plus yzx plus yfy plus c equal to 0. If the equation is like that, if this given circle passing through origin or major jodi pass hoye jay, then x and y coordinate both are 0, x and y equal to 0 put what is the value of c must be equal to 0. That means if a given circle passing through origin, then c must be equal to 0. That is the main condition. Okay, and equation is what? Equation of the circle is what? X square plus y square plus twice zx plus twice fy equal to 0. That is the equation. If the given circle passing through origin, then c must be equal to 0. Why? X and y coordinate always 0. The given circle passing through origin, and the equation is what? X square plus y square plus twice zx plus twice fy equal to 0. Okay. Again, the given circle passing the x-axis. যদি x টাচ কৰে তোমাৰ কি হ'ব তোমাৰ সেন্টাৰ টু যদি মই কনসিডাৰ কৰো h k ইয়াত কি হ'ব তোমাৰ ইয়াত যদি ৰেডিয়াস আহিব this one is ৰেডিয়াস যদি মই r বুলি কনসিডাৰ কৰো তেতিয়ালে k এর প্লেসত কি আহি যাব তোমাৰ r আহি যাব k এর প্লেসত কি আহি যাব r ই মে বি প্লাস মাইনাস হ'ব পাৰে ফটো থাকিব পাৰে সার্কেলটো ইয়াত আহি যাব পাৰে এর প্লাস r হ'ব পাৰে or মাইনাস r. Then that is the radius and center is what h plus minus r. This one. Again, if the circle crossing the y-axis, so the y-axis touch करे, then again center to की भी consider करो हमें h k a to the more radius करो तो r, इधर card line तो y, इधर card line x line तो ले तुम्हारा card place नहीं वो h और place लिखी दियो पड़े मां plus minus r. Plus minus क्यों लिखी चुन? ये तो पोजीशन पे लिखो पर ये पोजीशन पे प्लस r is what positive আৰু এইটো পজিশন থাকিলে r is what negative. Again, by using this result, এইটো result তুমি ইউজ কৰিব পাৰা. One is this one, এইটো condition তুমি ইউজ কৰিব পাৰিবা problem বিলাক কৰোতে. Again, x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y plus c equal to 0. Here x intercept is equal to this one. X intercept means what? X is short length. If the given circle touching the x axis, therefore the x intercept must be equal to 0. Here place to kiman equal to 0. Then condition to give if this part equal to 0, then you have what? G squared equal to c. That is the condition with the help of this circle. Otherwise, if the given circle touching the y axis, so the y axis touch correct, then r intercept 0 hobo, definitely y intercept 0. If y intercept is equal to 0, then definitely you have what? F squared equal to c with the help of these two conditions, with the help of this one or this one, যিকোনো এটা help কৰি তুমি question টো কৰিব পাৰিবা. কিছুমান কেতিয়াবা মই evaluate কৰিব বিচাৰিম, প্ৰবলেমৰ ওপৰত ডিপেন্ড কৰিব, আৰু কেতিয়াবা মই এইটো কন্ডিশন ইউজ কৰি পেলাই তোমাৰ যিবিলাক প্ৰবলেম দিয়া থাকিব আমি সলভ কৰিম. ওকে, next point is what? The circle touching the both the axis. The dual axis on the he touch করে. Okay, the dual axis touch করে তোমার কি হবে? তোমার ইয়ার পাশে যে লেংথ হবে, এটা হচ্ছে তোমার রেডিয়াস, এটা হচ্ছে তোমার সেন্টার, এটা হচ্ছে তোমার রেডিয়াস. the ইয়ার লেংথ ইয়ার লগত কিবা নিয়ম হবে, মানে ইকুয়াল হবে, কারণ এটা তোমার কি করেছে, কি টাচ করেছে. So what is the coordinate of the center? ইয়ার আহিব তোমাৰ প্লাস মাইনাস হয় আৰু তোমাৰ প্লাস মাইনাস হয়. প্লাস মাইনাস কি হলে কিছু তোমাৰ কোনটো পজিশন 4 কোঅর্ডিনেট আছে, 4 কোঅর্ডিনেটৰ 4 ডিফাইন ভ্যালু হ'ব পাৰে, তাৰমানে সাইনটো ডিফাইন হ'ব পাৰে. First coordinate, second, third and fourth. Therefore, we consider what? Plus minus. Radius is r and center you can find by this coordinate. And with the help of the centers and radius, you can find the equation of the circle. Okay. Now, by using this condition, if the circle touching the x-axis, x-axis touch করে তোমার x intercept equal to 0. Therefore, first part you have g square minus c equal to 0. That means g square equal to c. Again, if the given circle touching the y-axis, then y-intercept is equal to 0. Therefore, you have f square equal to c. That means, finally, from these two regions, you have g square equal to f square equal to c. If you satisfy this condition, the given circle touching both the coordinate axis, that means the condition is what? G square equal to f square equal to what? C. Okay. Next one, here we discussed a circle passing through origin. That means what? Passing the what? Passing at the point origin, and center lies on which axis? Y axis. Center lies on y axis. Then from this part, here tomorrow coordinate to kiman aibo, generally we center ki consider koru hk. hk jodi consider koru, then which coordinate? X coordinate must be equal to 0. This part equal to 0. And radius r, k place ki ai jabo tomar r. That is the coordinate. Okay. Otherwise, if the given circle touching the y-axis at origin, y-axis at what? Origin. So the original ki touch kore, and generally the coordinate of the center we consider hk lies on which axis? X-axis. Then y coordinate must be equal to 0. Therefore, k must be equal to 0. And radius, that is the radius. Etu tomar r ahibo. A length pe r value hobo tomar a short place ki ahibo tomar r. We consider like that. Maybe plus r or minus r. Etu side ahile tomar positive, or etu side ahile tomar k ahibo tomar negative side. Otherwise, if we consider this equation, general equation of the circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. যদি মই এইটো হেল্পত মই কৰিব বিচাৰো, ইয়াত কি হ'ব? when the circle passing through its origin, that means what? First condition is what? C must be equal to 0. One condition is this one. And the center lies on which axis? Y axis. Therefore, which coordinate must be equal to 0? X coordinate 0. X generally center is what? Minus g minus f. Center is what? Minus g minus f. What is that means what? The value of g must be equal to 0. Our value of value 0. G equal to what? 0. This condition you have. Then what is the equation? Equation is what? From this part you have x square plus y square plus twice Fy equal to 0. That means when you consider a equation of a circle touching the x-axis at origin and center lies on y-axis, then equation we consider like that. Otherwise, for particular this case, education kind of sound center lies on where x-axis and radius is what? This one. Here also the given circle passing through where origin. That means passes the which axis? Y-axis at origin. That means here also you have c equal to 0 and center lies on x-axis. Therefore, curve is definitely 0. F must be equal to 0. F equal to 0. That means when you consider a circle touching the y-axis at origin and whose center lies on x-axis, c and f must be equal to 0. Then this equation you have reduced in which form? X square plus y square f equal to 0 twice gx is equal to what? 0. That is the required equation. When the given circle touching the y-axis at origin and center lies on which axis? X-axis. Okay. Now here we discuss the equation of circle passing through 2 points. 2 points are দুটা পয়েন্টৰ মাজত যদি সাৰ্কলটো পাৰ হয় তেতিয়ালে হোৱাট ইজ ইকুৱেশ্যন জেনেৰেলি আমি কি পাইছো ইকুৱেশ্যন অফ এ সাৰ্কল পাসিং থ্ৰু n পয়েন্টস অফ এ ডায়ামিটাৰ মানে ডায়ামিটাৰ স্পেসিফিক আছে ডায়ামিটাৰ পাৰ হলে তেলে ইকুৱেশ্যনটা আমি উলিয়াইছো সিমিলারলি ইন এ গিভেন সার্কল পাসিং থ্ৰু এনি টু পয়েন্ট a and b these are the points this one we consider x1 y1 that is the what x2 y2 okay and p this one we consider locus that means what all the moving point will get by what coordinate p a scale and according to property of cyclic quadrilateral this one is p a scale this one also p a scale by that is the moving point locus etu mo p a scale dhorilu cyclic quadrilateral property mane what if you consider this one is theta this one is what pi minus theta clear etia ki hobo that is the equation after simplify you have that is the equation of the circle when 2 points are given jodi duta point dia thake etu এই ল্যামডাৰ প্লেছত তোমাৰ কি আহিব তোমাৰ প্লাস মাইনাস তোমাৰ cot of theta জেনেৰেলি আমি প্লাস মাইনাস cot of theta ইয়াত লিখি নাথাকো ইয়াত কি লিখিছো সেখানে মই এটা ল্যামডা এটা আৰবিট্ৰাৰি কনস্ট্যান্ট আহিব কাৰণ ইয়াত থিটা ভ্যালু চেঞ্জ হোৱাৰ লাগি ভ্যালু বিলাক চেঞ্জ হৈ থাকিব এখানে ইয়াত কি লিখিছো মই ডাইৰেক্ট ল্যামডা লিখিছো হয়নে নহয় তোমাৰ চাবা ইয়াত কি কৰিম মই চাবা if we consider slope of ap slope উলিয়াবা slope of ap next slope of BP. If we consider this one M1, this one we consider M2. And theta be the angle between these two lines. Therefore, you have tan of theta is equal to what? M1 minus M2 divided by 1 plus M1 into M2. Okay. By using this property, the tan theta আহিব और M1 M2 value are slope পাইবা. By using these 2 points h minus x1 k minus y1 h minus x2 k minus what x2 that put korile after simplification you have tan or theta reciprocal korile tomar cot of theta ahibo here not sin dia ase here ahibo tomar plus minus tan of theta then finally you have here k plus minus cot of theta ahibo a equation to answer okay a particular equation tumi pai jaba etia swa e hoy na nohoy tomar verify kori keneke saba para when you consider that is diameter let us say x1 y1 let us say p x2 y2 then yaar ki substitute korbe angle particular angle to for angle to yaar 180 thake then definitely yaar kiman dekhi thik tomar 90 theta is equal to what 90 cot 90 definitely ki ai jab tomar 0 a part is 0 hole this part is equal to ki ai 0 which is the equation of a circle when n points of diameter are given तो देखिए डायमीटर n पॉइंट নহয় এনি পয়েন্ট দিয়া থাকে এটা ডাইরেক্টলি এটু আমি রিজাল্ট ইউজ করি আর তাত কিবা পার্টিকুলার কন্ডিশন ডেফিনেটলি দিয়া থাকিব সেই পার্টিকুলার কন্ডিশনটো আমি ইউজ কৰিলে কার ভ্যালু পাই যাবা ডেফিনেটলি কার ভ্যালু পাবা তুমি ডায়মিটার পাবা ওকে here I am going to discuss about the position of a point on a circle. The point may be lies inside the circle inside থাকিব পাৰে or on the circle or what outside the circle. These are the four possibilities. That is the center of the circle. If this given circle, if we consider the point is what x1 y1, point is what x1 y1, three cases are there. If the given circle lies inside the, if the given point lies inside the circle, then you have x1 square plus y1 square plus yz x1 plus twice f y1 plus c is always what less than 0 if this point lies inside the circle. Again, if the given point lies on the circle, then you have x1 square plus y1 square plus twice gx1 plus twice fy1 plus c equal to 0. Again, the given point P lies outside the circle. It is outside of our line square থাকে. It is x1 square plus y1 square plus twice gx1 plus twice fy1 plus c is always greater than 0. These three results we use to find the position of a point on a circle. Also, you can define like that. Okay, that is the given point P lies inside of the circle, and that is the radius r. Okay, the length of OP is always what less than, OP is always less than what r. Okay, if the given point lies inside the circle. Again, if the point lies on the circle, that means length of OP and radius both are equal. Here we consider OP equal to r. With the help of this result, you can say if the given point lies on the circle or not. Okay. Again, if we consider this one OP, length of OP, what will be like this one r radius. Definitely length of OP is always what? Length of OP is always greater than r. With the help of this result, you can say the position of a point on the circle. Now, here we have to find the maximum and minimum distance of a point from a circle. A particular circle that we have a particular point we have x1 y1. We have a minimum distance or maximum. It is our minimum distance of this one. Or yard to length, that is the what maximum distance. For the given circle, x square plus y square plus twice x plus twice fy plus c equal to 0, whose center is what minus g minus f. You can find its radius by using root over g square plus f square minus c. The minimum distance is what PC. Divided PC length, PC minus what r. PC plus the radius to subtract area, then you will have that this length is what minimum length. And the maximum length is what? This one is what PP. It was our maximum length. So we can get PC plus it's what radius. It r PC plus what r. That is the maximum distance if the given point P lies outside of the circle. Okay. If the given point P lies inside of the circle, how can you find the distance? Then the minimum distance is what? R, that is the radius r minus what? PC, the length of this portion. That is the minimum distance. Okay. And maximum distance is what? This one we consider the point B. Okay. PB, length of PB, which is the maximum distance. PC plus what? This is radius. So area PC plus what? R. Okay. Our minimum to r minus what? PC. From the both these cases, inside or outside of a circle, this one is what? One is what? R minus PC, another is what? PC minus R. That means combining these two results, if this point lies inside or outside of the circle, the minimum distance is always what? Modulus of what? PC minus R. You can write this one. Both the cases for inside of a circle or outside of a circle. And the maximum distance, the same thing, PC plus R. Both are positive. There no need to give the modulus sign. Okay. That is the minimum distance and that is your, that is the minimum distance and that is your maximum distance. Okay.